Hi everyone, Danielle Green here from Naples Zoo, Director of Gardens and Grounds, and today we're talking about browse. Some of you might be curious. No, we're not browsing in the shopping center looking for our new outfit for the weekend. Browse actually refers to vegetation that is cut and harvested for the sole purpose of feeding or offering to our animal collection here at the zoo. Our horticulture department goes out 3 days a week, our animal care staff another 3 days a week to cut and harvest a load of browse for giraffe and some of our other animals in the collection. So today I'm out in a wooded property that's very close to the zoo that we use to harvest most of our browse. Now browse is used to supplement the diet. It is not their sole diet. They do have a prepared diet from the commissary. This is just offered kind of as a special treat, enrichment, that sort of thing, get to foster natural behaviors. It is hoisted up into the exhibit. Some of you that have been to the zoo have seen that. And giraffe like to browse like up at the treetop. So this kind of fosters, get them moving around the exhibit as well. So the way that we do this, because if we came out here 3 days a week and just cut everything, it wouldn't be very sustainable. So what we do is a process called coppice pruning, where we won't cut it all the way down at the base. We might cut it knee high, waist high, chest high, in order to promote regrowth. And that regrowth has really nice, juicy, healthy sprouts. This particular species of browse is Brazilian pepper. So category 1 invasive, not a plant that you really want in the landscape. It was brought here many years ago, and the landscape trade kind of takes over. But lucky for us, it's a great favorite browse of our giraffe collection. So Brazilian pepper here, this is great too because it has a lot of angles on the branches. So when we take it to giraffe, they can easily wrap their wiring around this and suspend it upside down, because the natural feeding behavior of giraffe is to be browsing at the tops of these trees. This other one we have here is earleaf acacia. Same thing. Category 1 invasive, not recommended to plant in the landscape trade, but you won't really find it available in any nurseries. But lucky for us, again, giraffes love it. It's one of their favorites, as well as many of our other animals in the collection. But yeah, we're looking for bigger pieces, tall pieces that the keepers can suspend in the yard for the giraffes. You see here, this piece is pretty big. This won't last very long. When they suspend this up, this might last maybe a couple hours that the giraffe can kind of munch on. A very important part of collecting browse is recognizing what we call companion plants, or plants that might, hitch a ride with the browse that you're actually trying to collect. What you see here is rosary pea, very dangerous vine. Those berries are very toxic. So we're always on the lookout to make sure that we're not collecting any browse that has a companion plant that might harm the animals. So I hope you've learned a little bit about browse. It's really just associated with the zoo industry, but it's a super fun way for the horticulture department to help out the animal care staff and how they care for the animals and enrich the animals. That is a load of browse.